Hey guys, back today with a Ram 1500. Came in for a set of headers. Customer previously had a set of shorties installed by another shop. Apparently he recently had it at another shop who put a set of gaskets on it. It's still leaking, so there's sure somewhere there's a crack. So he provided us with a set of Stainless Works long tube headers and mid pipes, which I will be installing over the next day or so. We're not going to have manifold gaskets until some point tomorrow anyways, but kind of figured I would get ahead of the game, start ripping it apart. And then we are also installing, I believe it's a 90 millimeter throttle body as well for the customer.
Alrighty guys, it's Tom here, making the final steps necessary to get this truck out of here today. So now that Trevor has the manifolds put into place, he was also kind enough to get all of our slip joint sections put together for me so that I can just take the last two sections, cut them where they line up with the existing exhaust, which he preferred to keep. He's not going to be doing a full exhaust at the moment, so what we're going to be doing is just adapting this new half to the rear half. And so in order to do that now is we're going to have to take these 3-inch to 2.5-inch reducers, and that's why I'm cutting these tubes short. They used to come out to about, I would say, right after this X pipe, but now that we're keeping his existing one, cut those out, find a place to fit these reducers in. Got one done already. We're going to weld those on car. So once I get this side at the same point as this, we're going to tack these everything together, get some mirrors set up on the top, and get these welded up and get the customer on his way home.
We just finalized the long tube header install, as well as modifying his existing exhaust to the new long tube header kit, as well as got his aftermarket BBK throttle body installed. Now, kind of just letting you see everything before I throw the wheel liners and wheels back on it. And shortly here, we will give you guys a cold start of the truck before we hand it back off to the customer.
That's pretty much it for today's video. We appreciate you guys tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to hit like. And if you want to see more in the future, feel free to subscribe to our channel. If you hit the notification bell, it'll let you know as soon as we post something new. Catch you in the next one.